Dear students, today we will study a topic related to aptitude, that is calendar. For this topic, first we will discuss some concept related to the calendar. Means what is the meaning of odd days, leap year, odd days. In a given period, the number of days more than the complete week are called odd days. Suppose there are total 9 days, means 7 days in a week plus 2. Out of these 9 days, 2 days are odd. Leap year, all of you know about the leap year. Every year divisible by 4 is a leap year if it is not a century. Every fourth century is a leap year and no other century is a leap year. तो हमें ये भी ध्यान रखना है, every fourth century is a leap year and no other century is a leap year. A leap year has 366 days. A leap year has 366 days. ये तो हमें पता ही है. Then we can say each of the year, some example 1948, 2004, 1676 etc. are the leap year because these all are divisible by 4. Century, जैसा कि हमने पहले आपको बताया, एवरी फोर्थ सेंचुरी इज़ अ लीप ईयर एंड नो अदर सेंचुरी इज़ अ लीप ईयर. तो 400, 800, 1200, 1600, 2000 etc. is a leap year. Like 2001, 2002, 2003, these are not divisible by 4, so this is not a leap year. Ordinary year have 365 days. Now we will discuss how we will calculate the number of odd days. One ordinary year, in one ordinary year there are total number of days are 365. And if we divide 365 by 7, we will find out 52 weeks plus 1 day. 52 into 7 plus 1. So this one is odd day. In a leap year we have 366 days, and in this 366 days we have 52 weeks plus 2 days. So we can say in a leap year the total number of odd days are 2. In 100 years, 76 ordinary years and 24 leap years. 76 ordinary years and 24 leap years. In ordinary years the number of odd days is 1, and in leap year the number of odd days are 2. So 76 into 2 plus 24 into 2 means in total 100 years we have 124 odd days, means 17 week plus 5 days. So in 100 years the total number of odd days are 5. The number of odd days in 100 years are 5. The number of odd days in 200 years means 5 into 2 equals to 10, means 7 plus 3. 1 week plus 3 days. Here we can say in 200 years 3 odd days. The number of odd days in 300 years means 5 into 3, 15. 2 week plus 1 day, means in 300 years the total number of odd days are 1. Number of odd days in 400 years, 5 into 4 plus every fourth century is a leap year, means in leap years in one leap year plus 1. 5 into 4 in 100 years, 5 into 4 plus 1 means total 21 days. 7 into 3 weeks. The number of odd days are 0. In when we calculate the number of odd days, we will remember the number of odd days in 100 years are 5, in 200 years are 3, in 300 years are 1, and in 400 years the number of odd days are 0. Similarly, each of 800 years, 400, 1200 years, 1600 years, 2000 years, etc. has 0 odd day. Every 4th century have 0 odd day. Days of the week related to odd days: Sunday 0. If number of odd days are 0, it means Sunday. If number of odd days 1, means Monday. 2 for Tuesday, 3 for Wednesday, 4 for Thursday, 5 for Friday, and 6 for Saturday. Now we will discuss one question. What was the day of the week on 16th July 1776? In this date, the total number of years are 1775, means 1600. 4th century जो हुआ वो हमने निकाला, because in every 4th century the number of odd days are 0. 1600 plus 100 plus 75. In 1600 every 4 centuries have number of odd days is 0. 1600 में number of odd days is 0. In 100 years the number of odd days are 5, as we discussed, and in 75 we can divide 18 leap years. If we divide 75 by 4, then we have 18 leap years plus 57 ordinary years. In leap years the number of odd days is 2, and in ordinary year the number of odd days is 1. Means total number of odd days are 93 odd days in 75 years. In 100 years number of odd days are 5, and 1600 number of odd days are 0. If we calculate and add all these 0 plus 5 plus 93, we will obtain 98. In 98, and we can also solve separately. 93 odd days means 13 week plus 2 day, it means 2 odd day. Number of odd days 1600 is 0, number of odd days in 100 years is 5, and number of odd days in 75 years is 2 odd day. Add all together, 5 plus 2 plus 0 is equals to 7 odd day, means 1 week, it means 0 odd days. In 1775 years we have 0 odd days. Now we will calculate for 16th July. Till July we have January, February, March, April, May, June plus 16 days of July. In January we have 31 days, February 29 days, March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, and 16 days of July. And it means total number of days are 198. 28 weeks plus 2 days, it means 2 odd days. Out of week the number of days which are present are called odd days, 2 odd days. Total number of odd days are, in 1775 number of odd days are 0, and till 16 July of 1776 the number of odd days are 2. Total number of odd days are 0 plus 2, it means 2 days. Hence the required day is Tuesday. It means on 16th July 1776 the day is Tuesday. In this method we will obtain the day for any date. Thank you.